Hi everybody, it's Cole from Cole's Quilts, and I just wanted to come in and give you an update on what I've been doing. We just finished up the Baby Dragon Quilt Along, and I do feel like that was fun. It's kind of hard for me to tell how many people did it. I saw a few people that have posted that they started putting together or that they had done it. But I got some good feedback about the tutorial videos, and I put up a few tutorial videos, but I'm definitely the type of person where I don't post just to post. I only post when I feel like I see a need or I can think of something people might find helpful. And so one of the things I wanted to do was I wanted to come on here and ask you guys if you had anything you wanted me to post about. And so like specifically YouTube how-to videos. I know there are already a lot of how-to quilting videos out there, so don't necessarily want to make a bunch more about like, I don't know, how to thread your sewing machine or how to sew two pieces of fabric together, because I feel like that's already out there. So if there's something you feel like you can't find, please let me know so that I can make some more videos about it. Other things that are going on with me, I'm currently working on a commissioned portrait quilt, but I also have two patterns that will be coming up in the works. It takes a lot of time, so it's gonna be a minute. But one of the ones that I'm working on behind me is, right now I'm just calling it a ship quilt, but it's sort of like wooden sailing ship, pseudo-pirate ship with 19th century London background, a lot of different blues. The thing I'm excited about this one is that all of the ropes from the ship, instead of quilting like lines from the ropes, the colors of blue just change whenever there's a rope. So you can kind of see here. And I have another one that's going to be in the works. So that's coming up. Also, if you are in the Western Washington area, I will be at the Stray Threads Quilt Show on April 4th and 5th. So I'll link information about that down here. My regular job has been taking up a bit of my time. And but one of the things that I'm hoping that should be happening spring quarter is I may actually be teaching a beginning quilterist class at Bellevue College. Again, if you're in the area, I feel like a lot of people who follow me are kind of beyond beginning quilting, but I know for sure when that's starting, I will post about it and let you guys know. I am not going to be at QuiltCon this year because I did start a new job, so I didn't necessarily feel like it was a good time for me to take some time off to go to QuiltCon, but I'm hoping that the next year I'll be able to, so I'm excited to see everyone's videos and pictures from QuiltCon because I won't be there. Our friends at Legit Kits are going to be on Shark Tank on, I believe, January 24th. I'll also post that down there. I'll make sure that I have the right information. A lot of us love Legit Kits. They're an awesome company, and I'm lucky enough for them to carry a kit for one of my patterns. This is kind of a big deal because it's the first time a quilting company is going to be on Shark Tank, so I would check that out. I think that's all the things that are happening for me right now, so I'll post reminders for all that information in the notes. Please, again, let me know if you have an idea for a video or a request for something. And also reminder, if you are working on any of my patterns, I did create a Facebook group where you can post questions about the patterns. Because I will say, as I've said before, I'm just one person. So the patterns that I make, when I'm making them, I do double and triple check them, and I do pay a tech editor to go through them. And I have had some quilt testers that I work with. But sometimes, even with all those people, we still miss some things. So sometimes I get people sending me nice messages like, oh, by the way, on this block, this is labeled wrong, or by the way, on this rock block, there's 2 sections labeled 2 or whatever. I really appreciate when people do that because I try my hardest, but sometimes we just miss stuff. And whenever I get feedback, I always fix the patterns. If you've ever bought a pattern from me and it has been updated, or you feel like there's a mistake and you're wondering if it's updated, please just send me an email and I can check and I will send you the updated pattern if there have been any updates. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.